I went to a local physician in town who confirmed through an MRI and his diagnosis that I had a torn rotator cuff in my left shoulder. And he told me that in order for him to perform the operation that I would have to wait until the tear was completely torn off, or the insurance company would not pay for it. So, of course, I checked out with him, and I decided to get further analysis of me turning 60 from a cardiologist who confirmed I was in excellent health that way. In casual conversation, he informed me that I could get my rotator cuff fixed in another manner. And he told me about, first I ever heard of it, PRP, platelet-rich plasma. Well, I had to go through another doctor first who told me he did PRP, and he went a different route to try to heal my shoulder, which took about a year, and with sugar shots, that he put sugar in my joints. It made it feel better, but it never really, there was no progress on getting better. If I didn't get my sugar shot weekly, I would notice that the pain was coming back.
Right.
Until I sent my lady by, and she had been to a number of physicians. She had two torn rotator cuffs and had the operations on both, but she had neck problems because of so much trauma. And Dr. Cassasia fixed her neck, and she said to me, "Lou, you better go see this man. He knows what he's doing." And so it was her personal, he helped her tremendously, and she didn't have that neck pain anymore. So I decided to make an appointment and come see him. And he explained the procedure to me. He said, all you need is probably one shot. Some people need two, but he had a feeling I only needed one shot. So I decided to go ahead, being the personal testimony from my girlfriend and she had been to a number of physicians before she met the doctor, and he took care of her. So I arranged for the procedure. After the procedure, which was very, very comfortable, at no time did I fear, getting a needle or anything. He made me feel comfortable. He talked to me about it. And then when I finished, he said just the few minor steps that I had to do. And I asked him how much physical therapy I would need to get better. He said none. But he just didn't want me exercising or lifting anything. That's all. So in 3 months later, well, at the beginning of 1 month later, I started feeling better. 3 months later, I was completely healed. So that's why I'm sitting here in front of the camera giving a personal testimony, and you may contact me. I'd be happy to talk to anybody who has any doubts that they should at least pursue this avenue, because I feel we need to look into every avenue to fix the tear rather than wait until it tears off.